Imagine turning your passion for health, food, and helping others into a fulfilling career that not only changes lives but also earns you respect and a steady income. In 2025, becoming a dietitian or nutritionist is more accessible, impactful, and exciting than ever before. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know every step, secret, and strategy to embark on this life-changing journey. Whether you're a high school student, a college graduate, or someone looking for a career switch, this video is packed with tips that will guide you to success. Let's dive in. 1. Understanding the roles. Before we get into how to become one, let's clear up the difference between a dietitian and a nutritionist. Both focus on improving people's health through food and nutrition, but there's a key distinction. 1. Dietitians are highly regulated. 1. They typically require specific certifications and are trained to treat medical conditions through diet. 2. Nutritionists have more flexibility and may work in areas like wellness coaching, sports nutrition, or community health without needing the same level of regulation. So, whether you dream of working in hospitals, opening your own practice, or becoming a trusted voice online, there's a path for you. 2. Why 2025 is the perfect time to start. The world is hungrier than ever for experts in nutrition. Here's why. 1. Rise of preventative health care. People are realizing that prevention is better than cure, and nutrition plays a massive role. 2. Digital opportunities. With telehealth and online coaching booming, you can work with clients globally from the comfort of your home. 3. Global health trends. From plant-based diets to personalized nutrition, the field is evolving, making it an exciting time to join. So, if you're wondering if this is the right career for you, the answer is a resounding yes. 3. Education and qualifications. Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty. What qualifications do you need? Step 1. Choose your path. Decide whether you want to become a registered dietitian, RD, or a nutritionist. If you're leaning towards the RD route, you'll need a bachelor's degree in dietetics, nutrition, or a related field. For nutritionists, you might not need a formal degree, but certifications can boost your credibility. Step 2. Earn your degree. For aspiring dietitians, look for programs accredited by relevant bodies in your country. For example, 1. In the US, it's the Accreditation Council for Education in Nutrition and Dietetics, ASCEND. 2. In other regions, check for equivalent recognized institutions. Pro tip: choose a program with hands-on training opportunities like internships or practicums. Step 3. Complete a dietetic internship. For RDs, if you're pursuing the RD path, you'll need to complete a supervised practice program. These internships typically last 6 to 12 months and offer real-world experience in clinical, community, and food service settings. Step 4. Pass your certification exam. To officially become a registered dietitian, you must pass the RD exam. It's rigorous but manageable with the right preparation. For nutritionists, certifications like Certified Nutrition Specialist, CNS, or Precision Nutrition Level 1 can make you stand out. 4. Skills you need to master. Degrees and certifications are important, but success in this field requires more. Here are the key skills you need to develop. 1. Communication. You'll need to break down complex nutritional concepts into simple, actionable advice for clients. 2. Empathy. Understanding your clients' struggles and supporting them without judgment is critical. 3. Business savvy. If you're going solo, learning basic marketing and entrepreneurship skills will be invaluable. 4. Adaptability. The science of nutrition evolves constantly. 4. Stay curious and committed to learning. 5. Choosing your specialization. The beauty of this field is its versatility. Here are some popular specializations to consider. 1. Sports nutrition. Work with athletes to optimize their performance through tailored meal plans. 2. Clinical dietetics. Help patients manage chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease. 3. Corporate wellness. Partner with companies to create healthier work environments. 4. Public health nutrition. Design community programs to improve population health. 5. Weight management. Guide clients in achieving sustainable weight goals. By specializing, you'll carve out a niche and make yourself more marketable. 6. Building experience. Experience is everything. Here's how to gain it while you're still learning. 1. Internships. Apply for internships in hospitals, gyms, or wellness centers. 2. Volunteer work. Offer your services to local community centers or nonprofits. 3. Online coaching. Start small by helping friends and family. 3. Use their feedback to refine your skills. These experiences will not only make your resume shine but also help you build confidence. 7. Networking in the industry. Your network is your net worth. Building connections can open doors you never knew existed. Here's how to do it. 1. Join professional organizations. Groups like the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics offer networking opportunities and resources. 2. Attend conferences. These events are goldmines for meeting industry leaders and potential mentors. 3. Social media. Platforms like LinkedIn and Instagram are excellent for connecting with other professionals and showcasing your expertise. The more people you know, the easier it will be to find opportunities. 8. Leveraging technology in 2025. Technology is your best friend. Use it to amplify your reach and impact. 1. Create content. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or Instagram page where you share tips and recipes. 2. Use apps. Familiarize yourself with tools like MyFitnessPal, Chronometer, or meal planning software. 3. Telehealth. Offer virtual consultations to expand your client base. By embracing technology, you can stay ahead of the curve and reach clients worldwide. 9. Overcoming challenges. Every career has its challenges, and this one is no exception. Here are a few hurdles you might face and how to tackle them. 1. Imposter syndrome. Remember, even seasoned professionals started somewhere. 1. Trust your training and knowledge. 2. Difficult clients. Not everyone will follow your advice perfectly. 2. Patience and persistence are key. 3. Keeping up with trends. Dedicate time to continuous education through courses, webinars, or reading scientific journals. Challenges are inevitable, but with the right mindset, they're stepping stones to growth. 10. Starting your career. You've got the qualifications and skills, now what? Here's how to kickstart your career. 1. Apply for jobs. Look for positions in hospitals, clinics, fitness centers, or food companies. 2. Start your own practice. If you're entrepreneurial, set up your own consulting business. 3. Go digital. Build an online presence and offer services virtually. 4. Collaborate. Partner with other professionals like fitness trainers or therapists to expand your reach. Remember, every big name in this industry started small. 11. Salary expectations. Let's talk numbers. According to recent data, the average salary for dietitians and nutritionists in 2025 ranges from $50,000 to $80,000 annually. However, with experience, specializations, and a strong online presence, you could earn well over 6 figures. 12. Staying ahead in 2025. The key to long-term success is staying relevant. Here's how. 1. Continuing education. Take advanced certifications or pursue a master's degree. 2. Follow industry leaders. Stay updated on the latest research and trends. 3. Adapt to client needs. Personalization is the future. 3. Learn how to create tailored plans using genetic testing or AI tools. By staying proactive, you'll remain a sought-after expert in the field. Now that you know the step-by-step process, the only thing standing between you and your dream career is action. Becoming a dietitian or nutritionist in 2025 isn't just about credentials, it's about passion, persistence, and purpose. So, take that first step today. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career advice and actionable tips. Your journey starts now, go make it happen.